Welcome, here I've got HTC Desire 21 Pro 5G and I'm gonna show you how to change photo size in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's move to this settings bar and pick the second from the left button to get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's pick this settings to open the advanced camera options, and here at the first place we have picture size. So let's tap on it. Now we can manage this. We can pick between the quality in megapixels connected with aspect ratio. So this is how to change this. And when we change this, we can see the difference in our camera preview. As you can see, the background now has changed to the longer one. So this is the aspect ratio. When we tap to this button once again, we get also quick access to aspect ratio by tapping on this button here above these settings. So just one tap here and we can also manage the ratio. But if you want to pick the quality in megapixels, you have to tap to these settings, to the picture size, and focus here on megapixels. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.